Hey beauties and jets, what's poppin'? If you are new here, my name is Tori and welcome to my channel. Over here we are all things hair, beauty, fitness, and fashion for the busy woman's lifestyle. So if you are new here, thank you for stopping by. And if you've been here already, you already know what's poppin'. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, share this video with a loved one or friend, and don't forget to like this video and leave a rose emoji below if you want to see more videos like this. Alright guys, let's go!
Can we just take control? We're overcomplicating how love flows. High low shouldn't be this stock broke, shouldn't be this hard to tell you I want more. I wanna see that you want me, snatch me up quick, let's see the ring. I wanna know, can we move forward, bust down that door, playing all my cards now, cause I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby,
that on me, I ain't playing, ain't accepting no defeat. Put that on my spirit, yeah, that's how I be. Ain't no messing with this Virgo energy. Come get this heat, cause I'm a boss, I'm a hitter, I'm a certified go-getter. Take a shot, I ain't missing this abundance where I'm living. Blessings come my way, manifest love today. Keep my peace, keep my faith, and I always play for keeps. I'm about to start a riot. Get too close, you might ignite. Best believe I see the light. That's in sight. Bet on me, I ain't playing, ain't accepting no defeat. Put that on my money, yeah, that's how it be. You can't messing with this Virgo energy. Come get this heat, cause I'm a queen, I'm a stunner. Spread my wings, watch them flutter. Blessings come my way, manifest love today. Keep my peace, keep my faith, and I always play for keeps. And I'm about to start a fire, cause this flame I got inside brings me closer to the light.
with a flex, I'm living my life vacation. On God, don't tell me to land, I'm feeling the wave set in motion, dipping grace. I stepped up and changed the pace, no things I'm building to. Brick by brick, out to me and you to you. How many times do I have to say it again and again? I'm not coming down till I'm built again. I've been gone for a while, but still come home with the wins. Don't need permission, God is my witness, all them bets are on me.
And I'm about to start a riot. Get too close, you might ignite. Best believe I see the light. Bet on me, I ain't playing, ain't accepting no defeat. Put that on my spirit, yeah, that's how I be. Ain't no messing with this Virgo energy. Gon' get this heat, cause I'm a queen. I'm a stunner, spread my wings, watch them flutter. Blessings come my way, manifest love today. Keep my peace, keep my faith, and I always play for keeps.
All new flex, got an all new flex. Talking diamond set, talking done and said. I took her hand and told her, darling, we the same. Oh, let's take a stand and write this novel in our names. Oh, so take me back to shallow, darling, you're my high hope. I don't wanna lose you, don't go. How could I lose what's tied to my soul? And I don't wanna lose what's tied to my soul. I don't wanna lose your light of my soul. Take my hand and let's compose a love that spans the outer glows. You're the light of my world. You're the light of my world. And so let's take this world and make a world that could change all those other worlds for us. I don't got plans, if I did, you know you'd be all of them, yes. I don't understand why it feels like this is just all pretend, but we on our way to a come up, yeah. Got a big tab at the run up, yeah. Plot a new life when the sun up, oh. All that I'm on it, that you're part of my life. There ain't no turning back, in fact, we on a path to glory. Don't look behind or change your mind, it's all part of our story. I know we'll find the other side when we lock eyes. I'm paralyzed, light up my life, my Gemini. You are my world, my ride or die. Oh, after all we've been through, there's no life without you. I ain't leaving, never doubt you. These feelings are a mouthful, but they're true. Yeah, they're true. This chapter ends when I do. Your heart is what I'm tied to. I can't live this life without you. Your soul is what I'm bound to. So don't think that I will vow to, or think that I'm about to let you go. No, 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 no.
I've been dreaming of you, and over again. From within I'll be glowing. I'm the sun, you're evolving around me. It's hard for the moment. Shift through every emotion in light speed, yeah. Light speed, yeah. Right before your eyes, I'll ever change. And me and you breaking up from the matrix, flowing in and out of astral planes. It's all our creation. So wander into the depths of me. Tap into the ocean. Dreaming of you. I've been dreaming of you. Dreaming of you. Can you dream of me too? Dream of me too. 'Cause I've been dreaming of you. Dreaming of you.
I'll gladly take you up on that alpha. Needed somewhere to get lost in your mind, looking like the spot. And we only meet up at night. Casually, where reality is in 20 million pieces. Won't you show me what you thinking? Your imagination. Flying across the room, gliding over you. You let me touch in places that we can't see with the naked eye. Making sure you're satisfied, baby. 'Cause I've been
Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you. I've been dreaming of you. Dreaming of you. Can you dream of me too? Dream of me too. 'Cause I've been dreaming of you. Dreaming of you.
I've been dreaming. 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 I've been dreaming.
I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. Oh, I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. But I can't wait no more. Fast, slow, why can't we just take control? We're overcomplicating how love flows. High, low, shouldn't be this stock broke. Shouldn't be this hard to tell you I want more. I wanna see that you want me